To reflect the bench conference in this case, and defendant is requesting preliminary examination. So set discovery being complete with the exception of one issue on the case ending in 329. There may be video that's outstanding, but it may or may not exist. And Mr. Drew, could you proceed forth?
Yes, Your Honor.
About that. All right. People have their witnesses available in 24th. Preliminary examination in person will be set June 24th, 2025, 9 a.m. before Judge Washington. Bond will continue on these matters. There was an issue raised. Harris, I had already revoked your phone privileges in this case. My understanding is that you're going through a mechanism to continue to make calls from the facilities. All of those calls are tracked, so I don't know why you're doing that. I want you to know that once the jail receives communication from the prosecutor's office about that continuing despite my order, they're going to take further action against you within the jail administratively. You understand that, ma'am?
Yes, sir.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.
Court does call the case People versus Roderick Bates.
Assistant Public Defender Nicholas Bukovich on behalf of Mr. Bates, who is appearing via Zoom.
Is he? State your name, sir.
Roderick Bates.
Yeah. What are we doing?
I'll be asking for a adjournment. We're looking for some possible outstanding video discovery as well as for time for pre-negotiations.
Gotcha.
Yes, I do. Thank you, Lee.
Probable cause conference will be adjourned June 26, 2025. 9 a.m. Bond continue.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you. Court does call the case People versus, is it Diversary Hennings?
Maybe Richard McGiffin for the people.
Good morning again, Your Honor. Christina Costantino appearing with and on behalf of Mr. Henning. Mr. Henning, can you please state your name for the court?
Devassia Henning.
All right. Okay, what are we doing on this?
Judge, my client.
Go ahead, Ms. Costantino.
My client is the co-defendant of Seth Priester, who you scheduled for a preliminary exam on July 15th. We would ask that you do the same.
All right. Preliminary examination in person July 15th, 2025, 9 a.m. Who did we set that before?
Judge Moore, I believe.
It was before Judge Washington. No. Moore. Before Judge Moore.
Got it.
July 15th, before Judge Moore. Thank you.
Thank you.
Court does call the case People versus George Bauman.
Assistant Public Defender Nicholas Bukovich on behalf of Mr. Bowman. Bowman, I apologize.
Your name, sir?
George Bowman.
All right, what are we doing?
We'll be asking for an adjournment to determine if Mr. Bowman is admitted to drug treatment court as well as for further pre-negotiations.
Is that the felony drug court?
Yes, it is. I did speak to APA Novakowski from our office. It sounds like we talked about it in the meeting on the 26th, so I'll be asking for a week after that.
Probable cause conference July 3rd, 2025, 9 a.m. Bond continue. Thank you.
How about I do down?
Court calls cases of the People versus Zachariah Haruska Dennis.
And Christina.
Appearing with and on behalf of Zachariah Haruska Dennis. Please state your name for the record.
Zachariah Haruska Dennis.
You want to sneak in there, Miss Constantino?
Thank you, Judge.
Yeah,
Christina
no, it's okay. Those young bucks come up and they just start butting in and
That's all right.
Go ahead.
That's all right. I love it.
Your Honor, at this time, we are requesting for a 2-week adjournment due to pending AIM referral. We are waiting for one more video, but 2 weeks should be sufficient.
Ms. Constantino, in your case?
Judge, I would concur with that request.
All right. Probable cause conference, June 26, 2025, 9 a.m. bond continued.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you very much, Judge.
Thank you.